Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to refresh your inbox on Gmail. So why would you generally refresh your inbox? Well, sometimes things get stuck, maybe on your side or on the service side, and if you're expecting some kind of new fresh mail from maybe some service or a colleague of yours and it doesn't arrive, the best way to make sure that it's actually displaying and arriving and you can actually see it in the list of your received mail is to just reload the page. And you can do this in two ways. As you can see, we have a button here to refresh the page, or you can simply use your browser and tap on the reload page button. I generally, when I use it, I just press this button right over here. As you can see, it instantly refreshed. I have no new mail, that's why nothing new appeared. But if something is stuck for you, just press on this refresh button and things should now appear and you should get all your new fresh mails. That's it for this one, guys. Pretty simply done. If you enjoy my videos, make sure to subscribe and see you soon.